For homeowners in Rowlett, maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures can feel like a challenge, especially with Texas weather that shifts from sweltering summer heat to chilly winter cold. Many factors affect how well your home holds onto warm or cool air, but one of the most important is often overlooked: your windows. Old, drafty, or inefficient windows make it harder for your HVAC system to do its job, leading to temperature imbalances, higher energy bills, and overall discomfort. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to keep your Rowlett home consistently comfortable. Here's how new windows dramatically improve temperature regulation and create a healthier, more efficient living environment. Improved insulation keeps indoor temperatures stable. New windows are built with advanced insulating features that older windows simply can't match. This added insulation is essential in a climate like Rowlett's, where homes must stay cool through long summers and warm through sudden winter cold fronts. Key insulation upgrades include double or triple pane glass that minimizes heat transfer, argon or krypton gas fills for additional thermal resistance, warm edge spacers that reduce condensation and thermal bridging, thick, insulated frames that prevent temperature loss around the edges. These features work together to keep outdoor temperatures from affecting the inside of your home. As a result, rooms feel more comfortable and maintain a consistent temperature throughout the day. Low-E glass helps control heat gain and loss. One of the most important features of modern windows is low-E, low emissivity, coatings. These invisible metallic layers reflect heat, making your home far more energy efficient during both hot and cold months. In Rowlett's climate, low-E glass offers two critical benefits. In summer, it reduces solar heat gain, preventing your home from getting too warm. In winter, it reflects indoor heat back into your living spaces, reducing heat loss. This dual performance helps stabilize your home's indoor temperature and reduces the workload on your HVAC system. Stronger seals prevent drafts and hot spots. Many older windows develop tiny gaps or loose seals over time. Even a small draft can cause uneven temperatures, cooler spots near windows in winter, or noticeable hot areas when the sun hits in summer. New windows eliminate these common issues by incorporating reinforced seals, precision weather stripping, tightly fitted frames. These improvements create a strong thermal barrier that keeps conditioned air inside and outdoor air out. You immediately feel the difference in comfort. Reduced humidity. For a more comfortable home, humidity plays a major role in how warm or cool your home feels. Inefficient windows can allow humid air to seep inside, making your home feel warmer in summer and contributing to condensation in winter. New windows help regulate humidity by sealing out moisture-laden outdoor air, preventing condensation buildup around the frame, helping maintain healthier indoor air balance. This helps create a more comfortable and healthier interior environment year-round. Balanced temperatures in every room. In many older Rowlett homes, temperature inconsistencies are common. Some rooms feel too hot, others too cold. New windows help eliminate these imbalances. You'll notice improvements such as more consistent comfort across different floors, fewer hot spots in sun-facing rooms, reduced cold drafts in winter, a more even temperature from room to room. This makes your home feel more balanced and enjoyable no matter where you are. Lower energy bills thanks to better temperature regulation. Because new windows help maintain steady indoor temperatures, your HVAC system doesn't need to cycle as often or work as hard. That means lower cooling costs in summer, reduced heating costs in winter, less strain on HVAC equipment, lower overall energy consumption over time. The savings can offset much of your window replacement investment. Final thoughts: new windows offer more than just beautiful views. They are a powerful tool for improving comfort and regulating indoor temperatures in your Rowlett home. With modern insulation, low-E coatings, airtight seals, and moisture control, today's energy-efficient windows make your living space more stable, comfortable, and affordable to heat and cool.